In this video, I'm going to show you how to move objects from one layer to another in AutoCAD. As you can see here, we already have the two existing objects. For us to change the layer from it, we're just going to first click the object, right click, click on the properties, and from the properties, you can see here the word by layer. Click on that, on this also, and you can now change or move the object from another layer. Like for example, this yellow, green, cyan, or blue. For example, I'm going to choose here the red and just going to close this. And if you wanted to move this also, this object to another layer, just simply right click, properties, click the by layer, and choose the color. And that's about it. That's how to move objects from one layer to another in AutoCAD. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.